Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Data channel. Today we are reviewing the ultimate egg-based dishes from different countries. Let's see which country make the best one. Egg drop soup is a fast 13-minute Chinese comfort food made of silky, wispy beaten eggs swirled in the seasoning. Cuisines is a Korean-style steamed egg dish with a very soft, savory texture, typically served buffet open and eaten ware bowl. Indian egg curry features hard-boiled eggs simmered in a spicy aromatic onion and tomato gravy. Cuisines is a savory fried start with a filling of cream, eggs, and a bacon in an open pastry case. Frittata is a traditional Italian egg dish similar to an open-faced omelette or the castle quiche. Scotch egg is a dish consisting of a hard-boiled egg wrapped in a sausage meat coated in the breadcrumb and either baked or deep fried. Яєчня from Ukraine. Huevos habaneros is a traditional breakfast dish from Cuba. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish of Jamaica. Perico is a scrambled egg dish cooked with butter, sauced onion, tomatoes, and chili pepper or bell pepper from Venezuela. The saltena is a traditional Bolivian baked pastry similar to an empanada. Pig fish with egg is a traditional fish like the popular Cape Malay style. Ufroti is a Mauritanian seasoned hard-boiled egg dish inspired by Hakka cuisine. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.